So now we are done with basically creating a database and then creating a table. So the next thing we will do is we will add some contact to the contact table. So to do that, let us go to the contact service and we'll do one thing. We'll go to the data service and use this safe code to create our method. So you can just copy this from here, go to contact service and just paste it here for the time being for reference. So we'll have public contact and then add contact. We are going to add a single contact to the database. Now here actually you don't need to, okay, this is we are adding a contact, so we'll just make it void and then we are going to just use db dot get connection dot insert and then just pass the contact. That's it. If you want, you can basically return the primary key out here, int here. Now this is the method which is basically inside the contact service. Now we are going to create from the main scene in one particular method. Here we'll have on add contact button click. So this will just update this method and rename this method here, and we'll have on add contact button click. So when the user clicks on add contact button, it should invoke this contact service. So we'll just copy this again here. From here we are done this method here. We'll just paste it here for reference. Now we need to basically call that contact service method for add contact, and we need to pass a contact. So we'll create a contact here. Contact is equal to new contact, and you can basically here start and create the contact class, or rather the contact variable which we are going to pass. Just press it here, and one more thing you can do is we will debug the log of whatever primary key it is. We'll just add some logs here. Here we're going to retrieve the primary key and enter it here. And let us for every method let us print the log message. We'll just have it like this. This way we'll have a can read the log message here messages. So here now similarly add it to the add contact. We'll have on add contact button click. Now here we will print the primary key. So now the contact name you can just have it name as for example Neeraj, and we can have the surname as, we'll just copy it from here, Jaswal. I'll just give age as 99, and let me add some more details like mobile number. Just we can have it something like 99999. We can just have some dummy data here. Make sure you have the comma out there. The next detail is email. So Neeraj, we can have Neer, then at Apni Academy .com, so something like that. So next is like the email was the city. You can have basically something New Delhi, the Indian city of India, the capital of India. So this is the class basically in the method which we have, and we can test this out. Let us see if there are some errors out there. Now it looks okay. The errors are gone. I'll just delete this one. We are done with this. So our method looks okay right now. We'll just build it and see if there is any compilation errors. There are no compilation error. Now we can add this to the UI. Go to the UI. Just stop make sure that the app is not running, otherwise all your changes will get lost. That is the way it works out here in Unity. Now you duplicate this button. You can see like automatically the resizing has been done. Change the name to add contact. And I'm going to change the name of the button also. Okay, so just save it here and duplicate it. Just name it as add contact. I'll just copy this. Add it to the text. Now the button is there. What I need to do is I'll choose some other methods here. This one, add button click. So let us save this particular code, project files, Unity project, and then run it. So right now database doesn't contains any item for the contact table. So this way we are going to add the contact to the table. We'll click on it and see what happens. You can also keep the console open, so clear out whatever printouts are there and just run the app. Once the app is running, click on the button add contact. You can see it has entered one data here. So this way basically the contact has been added. If you want, you can just click on create contact table. It will refresh the table, and right now it will not have any data. And then you can again click basically add contact, and it should add basically one row. So here, okay, I clicked on it twice, so 2 rows has been added. So this is basically the way you basically add contact, a single contact to the database.